Okay, good afternoon all. Yesterday we have seen what is normal pregnancy, how we can diagnose the normal pregnancy. Okay, today we can come to see about the stages of pregnancy. There are mainly three stages that we can be divided as a first trimester, second trimester, third trimester. The first trimester, that is the week, according to the weeks, that week 1 to 12. Second trimester 12 to 28 weeks. Third trimester 29 to 40 weeks. That are the three stages of pregnancy. So coming to, we can see the first trimester. What will be the changes? Body undergoes many changes. That is, hormonal changes affect almost every or affect all organ system in your body. That according when the mother has become pregnant, many changes, hormonal changes that will be takes place during this time. So that are the physiological changes we can see. And the period stopping is clear sign of pregnancy. That period means menstruation, absence of menstruation or amenorrhea. It will be the clear sign of pregnancy. Other changes may include extreme tiredness, tender swollen breast, upset stomach, craving for certain foods, mood swings, headache, heartburn, and might need to make changes in daily routine. Fortunately, most of this discomfort will go away the pregnancy progress. So, if the mother has any of this, not any of these changes, mother is having this discomfort and all this exists. So, mother needs more care and more rest is needed. That should be maintained. Okay, then coming to the second trimester, that is the symptom will nausea and fatigue are going away. In almost all cases, most of the mothers having this nausea and vomiting will be go away, but most of the cases there will be nausea and vomiting also exist. Abdomen will expand as the body continue to grow. Not body, baby continue to grow. As the baby grows, the abdominal size also will be increases. Before the trimester is over, the moment of the baby can be fed. As body changes to make room for growing baby, may have body aches, stretch marks on abdomen, breast, thigh or buttocks, darkening of the skin around nipple, numb and tingling hand, then itching on abdomen, palms and sole of the feet. During this time, there will be this body ache. These all the symptoms also will be occurs. That is the stretch marks due to the increase the size of the abdomen. Then breast will be also the size increases. Then stretch marks will be comes. Then coming to the third trimester, some of the same discomfort second trimester will continue. And find breathing difficulty and notice how to go to the bathroom more often. This frequency of micturition, that the first trimester also the same complaint that is the sign will be present, and the last trimester also the same sign will be present, because the growing uterus which will giving more pressure to the bladder, so frequency of micturition will be occurs. The baby is getting bigger and putting more pressures of the organs. Some new body changes might notice in the third trimester: shortness of birth, heartburn, swelling of the ankle, finger and face, belly button may stick out, trouble sleeping. Okay, due to the increased size of the abdomen, the mother is able to not able to sleep continuously. Then coming to the physiological changes during pregnancy. You can see that according to the physiological changes occurs, there will be changes in the size of the abdomen, that is 14, 22 weeks, 36 weeks, 32 weeks, 36 weeks and 38 weeks. Okay. So, we can see some of the terminologies. Hyperplasia. Hyperplasia means the proliferation of cells within the tissue. That is the enlargement. Proliferation, that is a hyperplasia, and then second one is the chloasma. Pigmentation of the face and forehead during pregnancy, especially around 24th weeks of pregnancy. And we can see the brownish pigment on the face and forehead. Goodell sign, softening of cervix. This is the front view of the female reproductive system. Okay. Then reproductive system, that is the first we can see the vulva becomes vascular and hypertrophied, and pigmented and varicose veins appear in some cases. Second, vagina becomes vascular and hypertrophied, looks bluish, felt soft. Vagina is soft, and vaginal secretion increases amount and is acidic due to the production of lactic acid. Then Giacomo's sign, increased blood supply of the venous plexus surrounding the walls gives the bluish discoloration of the mucus of the vagina. What is Giacomo's sign? You may say that is the bluish discoloration of the vagina. How the bluish discoloration occurs? Due to the increased blood supply to the venous plexus, there will be increased blood supply comes. So that is the bluish discoloration occurs on the surrounding walls of the surrounding walls. Okay, the mucosa. Then the pH becomes more acidic due to more conversion of glycogen into lactic acid by the lactobacillus acidophilus consequent on high estrogen level. This acidic pH prevents multiplication of pathogenic organisms. Then coming to the cervix, remains 2.5 centimeter long throughout pregnancy, but the hygroscopic properties of estrogen cause to increase in width. Estrogen increases cervical vascularity, and if viewed through the speculum, the cervix looks purple. Cervical mucosa undergo hypertrophy and hyperplasia, and occupies inner half of the cervix. A mucus plug called the operculum is formed between the maternal and external os. That is operculum. It is the that is a pinkish that color that will be a form. That is some wall-like formation will be occurs on the external os, that is on there. That is it will be acidic, and it is it won't cause any other effects. So see that is the external os, pinkish in color. You can see mucus plug. Then hypertrophy. Mucus plug called operculum is formed between the maternal and external os. Here you can see mucus plug, external and internal os. There will be, that is the pinkish, that is orange white color, like that may seen. Then hypertrophy of the endocervix. Then vascularity increases, external os, cervix. Okay, see. Okay, thank you all.